Hello everyone, it is Sarcasm here, and today we are looking at my old Scratch projects. This is going to be so cringy. Anyway, if you don't know what Scratch is, it's a coding website. I have been on this place for like at least 3 years now. Pretty damn amazing, I think myself. So this is my new account, Lean Comics, which I now make my animations and stuff. So yeah. Anyway, we're not talking about my new account. We're looking at my old one and how damn cringy it was. Anyway, so I only have 20 projects left. I basically unshared all my other projects. So let's see what this is. Crazy Scratch Neon. This looks pretty terrible already. And of course I did this green flag. Yep, best. Oh my god, my friends are here. Man. Let's see what this is about. Oh god, that is terrible. Yeah. The rainbow. Also, I was like really into Miraculous Ladybug, you know that show, so if. Anyway, so let's do this and see what this is about. Interview with Ladybug. Exclusive interview with Ladybug. So are you wanting a hero on your team? Yes, but not for Pina. Who is going to be the next villain after you defeat Hawkmoth? Dunno, maybe Chloe. Who do you think Hawkmoth is? Adrian's dad. Thank you for your time. You're welcome. That's hilarious. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna share this because I think a person remixed this. So let's see what that's about. Yep, remixes. Because I'm a Boss 99 with. Just so good. Exclusive interview with Ouija. So you want another hero on your team? Hello? R.I.P. What is this? R.I.P. Never mind. Ooh, new intro. What's that? This one. Let's see what that is. Jesus Christ. What is this intro? What was the code I used in this? This is terrible. What was this animation? What was this? I feel so sad now. What is life? And what is life? What is life? Anyway, I found interview with Cat Noir. What is this gonna be about? Here we are. So this is it. No more interviews. Wait. Hawkmoth! Oof! Let's see what this does. Hello, Cat Noir. Do you like cheese? Yes, especially Cannonball. I got this completely wrong. Excuse me. Next question, please. Anyway, how's Ladybug? Oh, he's good, but he's focused on an alley girl. Do you like Chloe? No way, Jose. She told me to do a gold. Thank you for your time. You're welcome. So great. I found this thing called Miraculous Transform Fail. What is this gonna be? God, that squeaky, terrible, disgusting voice. Oh, that is so sad. And that Powerpuff Girl, that terrible Powerpuff Girl LC. Oh, gee. I also found the Miraculous, this version of Cat Noir, so let's do that. Oh my god. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video, so goodbye.